the line? Look at the line. See what I'm saying? Watch this. Watch this. Man. Now you... What's up, YouTube? Today right here on the Kareem Family Channel, right here on Dad's Kitchen, I'm about to show y'all how to grill and perfect a burger on the grill, man. How to grill a burger, man, the right way, man. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna wash my hand and we're gonna get into this. Hold on. Get over here. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing, lovely people? Yeah, I had a request, man. My buddy sent me over a link. He wanted me to make you know what? I'm just gonna make it next one I'll make it. Matter of fact, I'll tell you guys what I'll make it. It's gonna be a sloppy a Philly cheese sloppy joe. And you know, it's real simple to make, but it's different. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never had one, man. I don't know about y'all. Have y'all ever had one? Cause I ain't never had one. But it looked good on the link. You know, he showed me, and I'm gonna whip up one, man. But right now, I got a taste for some bomb gas kitchen burgers, man. Because don't nobody make them better than me, man. Nobody. You know what I'm saying? King of all kitchen. You new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, turn that post notification bell on so you get all my up and new come videos and all our family videos, man. Pranks, vlogs, family travels, you know, all the fun, good stuff, man. Family people do, man. Right here on the Kareem Family Channel. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. Get over here. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, baby? Check it out. So we got the lovely bomb lean. See that? I get the lean ground beef, man, and it's so fresh, man. He just whipped this up today for me. So the butcher at Food Flesh. So we got the brochi bread. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Comment down below if I'm saying that right. Brochi bread, brochi. I don't know. Lettuce, tomato, and some Velveeta that's gonna melt on that grill. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we about to tear this open. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get the cutting board. You know what I'm saying? Get the cutting board. And what we're gonna do here, guys, hold on for a minute, is we're going to season these puppies up. There's a trick to this, right? And what I'm gonna show y'all is what you want to do. Okay, see these is thick, how thick they is. You don't gotta worry about these shrinking and none of that. The way he cut these, or however he did it in that ground, that machine he used at Food Flesh, but it, man. So what we use right here on Dad's Kitchen, y'all with me? Follow me, follow me, follow me. So what we use here on Dad's Kitchen, Lawry's, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic salt or garlic powder, either or, you whatever you choose. So we just gonna go on with the seasoning, right? Well, how much seasoning? How much ever you want. You can put a whole ounce of seasoning on if you like. No, I'm just planning on do that. So what I do, I just lightly season it across all around. Okay, follow me. Y'all catch my drift? You did? Okay, now, onion powder, right? Right, onion powder, right? Black pepper. Black pepper. Or you could use ground pepper, fresh pepper, whatever kind of pepper you want, man. As long as it's pepper. You know what I'm saying? Put that lemon pepper on there, but I ain't got none. So what we gonna do here, flip that thing and repeat that seasoning step, right? Seasoning salt. Seasoning salt, right? Garlic salt, right? Garlic. That's salty. No, it ain't. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. You ain't tasting none of my food. Till you taste this bomb good cooking, do it your way. But if you want it the bomb way, you do it Dad's way right here on Dad's Kitchen. Put that black pepper on here, right? Repeat them steps. Okay? Now, what we're gonna do here, because he got these too thick, man, I'm gonna just, you know, like that, rip it up a little bit, put that meat in there. That's one, right? Like that. Why you do that? Them was nice patties. Cause I'm putting that seasoning all the way through. Pay attention, right? What we're gonna do, right? Just flatten it out like that again, right? My way. You know what I'm saying? You wanna leave it fat like that? Go ahead, I don't like them too thick. So, now, okay? That's that, right? Now, what you wanna do, I want y'all to put a thumb in there, right? Put that thumb in there. Why you putting that thumb in there? Because when you cook hamburger meat on the grill or hamburger, it swells up. This will stop it from swelling like that. So just go and put a print in the middle of it and you're good. Now guys, I'm gonna wash my hands. And we got that grill getting hot. And I'm gonna go out there and put these on there and show y'all what to do next. Right here on Dad's Kitchen. I'll be back. So yeah guys, grill nice and hot. What you wanna do, you just wanna get these burgers right, just like that. Drop them like this hard, drop them like this hard. Now don't smash your burgers guys, that's the key. You already smashed them when we was in the kitchen prepping them. Do not smash your burgers, okay? You're gonna take the juice out. Listen to that kitchen. So, now, here's the last one. And turn that on high. This is grill's hot at 400. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come back in about a couple minutes and we're gonna flip them and they should have a gas grill. So I'll be back. Again, if you're new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, share the video. Dad, king of all kitchens, man. Shh, don't tell nobody you see me. Alright, so now, within a few minutes, we should have some, see that? See the line? See the line? Oh, look at the line. See what I'm saying? Watch this. Watch this one. Man. Now you don't, again.
What's that
smell? Guys. Don't want to, again, smash your burger. Alright, I showed you that we smashed it up already. Do not smash your burger. You're taking the juice away from it. And what it's going to do, it's going to cause more flame, right? So, on top of that, you don't want to smash it. And you don't want to flip it more than 2 times, guys. This is doing too much. We're flipping the burger more than 2 times, right? So this should be done in another 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all finished results. Oh, smooth kitty right here. Now, look guys, look, nice and juicy. Look, see that juice? That's juice. See that? Juice. Like I said, you don't want to flip more than 2 times. So now, guys, what we're gonna go with now is the ultimate bomb cheese. And watch how this looks, man. Watch how this looks when this cheese melts. You can melt this cheese, man. All you gotta do is put it on there, shut the top for 10-20 seconds, and the cheese gonna melt from the heat. So we're gonna go with this fire, drop this fire down. We're gonna toast these broshi breads. The best bomb buns you can get. Broshi, ever. Bam! But that's how I want it, right there. And we're gonna come back to y'all and show y'all the finished result right here on Dad's Kitchen. I'll be back at you. Alright, so we have the lovely, delicious, grilled, juicy burgers that we about to lace up. I toasted my buns. I don't know if I showed you guys. I believe I did when I was out there. So what you're gonna do first is you're just gonna grab one of these lovely buns, right? Burgers. Lace him up with the lettuce. That's what you want. Lace him up with the tomato. If that's what you want, right? That's what I want. So, we want another tomato because I love tomato. Really, he nasty, bit of raw tomato. Yeah. It's raw when you eat it, right? Now, we have the sweetness from the red onion right there, right? We're gonna get a little mayo. Matter of fact, I use Miracle Whip, man. I don't know about y'all, but I grew up eating Miracle Whip. I eat all that mayonnaise, man. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Miracle Whip child, man. I come from Miracle Whip, project living and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? Check it out, check it out. Right? If you want a lot, put a lot. If you got mayonnaise, use mayonnaise, but I prefer that right there. Okay? So, we're gonna do one more thing, and that's grab a pickle. Lace it up with the pickle, man. Because I love pickles on my burger, okay? Now, that's that, right? And we're just going, just like that. Now, I'm gonna give y'all a 360 of this meal right here, this burger, and y'all give me a rating on it, man. Leave a comment down below. Hit the like buttons, hit the like button. Don't be a hater, man. If you're new here, like, subscribe, man. Don't be a hater, man. Hit the like, take the like back, man. I'm watching. But anyway, here's the burger, man. We gonna knock this down like we do right here on Dad's Kitchen, because I know y'all wanna see me take a bite out of crime. Look at that. Tell me that don't look delicious. That's a grilled burger, man. A grilled burger. You feel me? A grilled burger. Delicious, right? Okay, enough of that. I'm gonna say my prayers. I'm gonna dive into it. Amen. Set y'all down right here. Lovely people. I'm gonna be honest. That toast, that tomato, look at that. Who want a bite? Who want a bite? Who want a bite? Who want a... God. When you cook like me, I never cease to amaze myself, man. Hit them likes, man. Leave a comment down below if y'all want me to cook something, man. I'm out of here. Until the next one, love, peace, and happiness. I'll see y'all in the next one. And we will be dropping another prank banger for y'all real soon. Alright? Peace.